Hello dear viewers, look like a phone in my hand. This phone is Infinix Hot 50 Pro. Now today I'll show you how to set ringtone any music in this phone. And I'll also show you today how to change ringtone in this phone. If you want to set music ringtone in this phone, at first you keep the song on your phone storage, and second time you find the option called phone dial pad. When you keep this song on your phone storage, second time you find the option dial pad. And when you find the option called phone dial pad, then you have to click on this option called phone dial pad. When you click on this option called phone dial pad, you can see an option called settings icon. Then you have to click on this option settings icon. And when you click on settings icon, you scroll down, you can see an option called sound and vibration. Then you have to go to the option called sound and vibration. And if you want to add a music ringtone, you can see an option called Simon ringtone. You just click on this option and show this phone main ringtone. And if you want to add music ringtone, scroll down. You can see an option add ringtone. Go to add ringtone and select your music. Click recent and click audio and select your music and edit properly your phone music ringtone. So if you want to like this video, please subscribe my channel.